You know, the craziest thing about the Bybit hack that just lost $1.4 billion of Ethereum of customers' money, well, everyone's quick to forgive them because, like I mentioned in my last video, everyone's basically paid off by the Bybit referral program by feeding people into the slaughterhouse to get wrecked on leveraged trading. But the irony, the silver lining, is that the North Korean hacker group called Lazarus Group was identified to be the ones that stole all this Ethereum. Now, we've got entire nation states, including the USA, talking about a digital asset reserve, not just Bitcoin, but digital assets, guys, Ethereum. A lot of institutions are bullish on ETH, and apparently so is North Korea. And ironically, North Korea can probably have stronger diamond hands than even Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, or the Ethereum Foundation, which just dumps ETH all the time. They barely do any marketing. So what's weird is that this Bybit hack might actually be net positive because it's going to take all this ETH out of circulation. If the ETH ever tries to get sold for US dollars, it's going to be identifiable. And who knows, the Lazarus Group might just want to keep it for their hordes, for their own digital stockpile. So this was a very advanced social engineering attack. It involved, getting the actual 4 multi-sig signers that worked at the company to sign off on a transaction that looked legit, but it was spoofed with the UI. Very advanced attack. Look, we know North Korea and China are kind of friends sometimes. It is yet to be seen what's going to end up with this ETH, but I think it's probably just going to sit there for a long, long time. And you can clearly see the Bybit founder following Richard Hart's advice and actually buying up some Ethereum. Well, a couple of these wallets. And he's also borrowing Ethereum from other companies like Binance, but he's buying all this Ethereum to cover the losses. And apparently everybody at Bybit is already whole again. So no major catastrophe here. This might actually just spur off a buying spree, like that's already been happening with 21 Shares, BlackRock, and all these banks that are now about to start buying Ethereum if they haven't been already. And when these short positions come off from the institutions, guys, and all of the nation states and all of the banks and all the traditional finance companies and ETFs are done loading their bags, they're about to unleash a marketing campaign to retail, and Ethereum will pump, mark my words. It's just unfortunate that it's got to be the institutions feeding it to retail as always. You can still be smarter than that, you could still get in early. It's up to you, your choice.